what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jen. If you are new, my name is Jen. Today I am doing a updated brow tutorial, a brow tutorial 2.0. I did do a brow tutorial a few months ago, so this is my updated brow tutorial with the new products that I use, and I added another step to my routine, and you'll see. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I just want to give a quick shout out to Silky Sacks for this hairpin, and I also have her edge scarf as well. It says Silky Sacks on it. I use this all the time to lay my edges when I'm fixing my units or whatever I'm doing with my edges, and I love it. So you guys go ahead and check her out. I will leave the link to her website in the description box below. So shout out to you, Silky. I love you. Anyways, so if you would like to see how I get my brows from this to this, I got you. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and clip my hair back so I can get it out of my face. And okay, so I haven't been doing my brows as much as I used to. I'm trying to grow it out so I can get my arch back. As you can tell, I kind of messed it up right here, but it really doesn't matter because I put makeup over it anyway. But I'm trying to grow it back. So a little backstory: when I was about 7, I called myself shaving my brows myself, and since then this brow always grows back kind of weird. So I've always had an issue with this brow. This is my problem brow, so I always have to put extra TLC in this brow right here. Anyway, so let's get straight into the tutorial. So I used the NYX Precision Brow Pencil in the color black. And I love this pencil because it's already angled. It has an angle to it, and I don't have to sharpen it, so that's a plus. And then it has a spoolie on the end, the other end. First up, I'll just go ahead and brush my eyebrow hairs intact. Try to brush it up a little. And this side. Ain't much I could do with this side, child, but I go in with the pencil and I start very light. I start very lightly in the beginning, and then I come down on the arch. I arch it. I'm a little bit more heavy-handed on the arch. So I'm gonna show y'all. All right, so and I don't start in the beginning of the brow because I don't like that boxy look. I just want it to look natural. So that is why I'm starting from like right here. I don't start right here. Starting right here. I'm just following my natural brow shape. And as you can see, I'm getting heavy-handed as I go towards the end. So that's the bottom. And now I got to create a little arch or a shape right here because you can see what's going on, right? Again, I'm going to go ahead and start like about right here, very lightly. I have to go ahead and create my shape now, my arch. So there it is. I have to fill that in. So that's my shape, and I'm gonna just fix that part with the concealer, but I don't fill parts where I have hair because I don't want it to look too black. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use my concealer. I use the LA Girl in the color Almond. And I know some people use a makeup brush, an angled brush, but I always use the brush on the concealer itself because it's easier for me. I think, I don't know, it works for me. It may not work for other people, but it works for me. So I like to start my concealer like a little bit further from the front of my brow. So like that. So that's the bottom. Then I just squeeze a little bit more, and I start at the top a little bit further from the front of my brow. This is like the magic to doing your eyebrows, the concealer. And I don't use a lot. Just gonna go ahead and thin that out a little bit more. That is all I do. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with the pointy side of the Beauty Blender and just lightly blend the concealer in. And I try not to touch my brow. I just blend the concealer in from the bottom part of the concealer. Like as you can see, I don't touch, I don't go all the way up here. I just do it from the bottom part of the concealer. And I definitely need to look in my mirror while I'm doing this. As you go, you just blend whatever areas you think needs to be blended more. The top is very easy. I just basically blend the concealer into my skin. I don't even touch the bottom portion. Now with the spoolie from the brow pencil, I'm gonna go ahead and just lightly brush the front area of my brow and then brush throughout the brow. Now I just want to add a little bit of definition to the front, and that's basically how I do it. Just fixing that. And that is the brow. Now this last part, this is something that I added to my brow routine so it can last, so my brows can last all day, because sometimes my hairs on my brow won't stay in place. So this definitely helps it stay in place. I use my duo glue and a spoolie. I got this pack of spoolies from Amazon. So basically I use it for different things. So what I do, just go ahead and take the spoolie and I dip it in a little bit, just a little bit, to get some of that glue out. And then all I do is brush it over the brow. Brush the glue over the brow. And with this glue, it applies blue, but when it dries, it's clear. But this definitely keeps my brows in place all day. I can be running, sweating and everything, and my brows will be in place all day with this glue added to my routine. So you can't even tell that I applied glue to my brows. So now I'm going to go ahead and work through my problem brow, and I'm not going to talk through this process because I'm going to be doing basically the same thing as I did on this side. I'm just going to go ahead and speed this side up so it won't be that long.
Picture on my mirror, start to blush when somebody said your name. And my stomach does the pain, so you walk in my direction, I go the other way. Stutter when I speak, start to stare, knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, wish a star for a sign. What's the reason why?
Alright y'all, so I am done with my brows and I love how it turned out. This brow just needs some extra TLC like I said, but it's like you have to make your own shape. I had to make my own little shape, but it matched. I don't think they look like twins, they look like sisters. Let me give y'all a close-up. So that is all to my routine. That is it. I just like my routine to be as simple as possible, but at the same time, I like my eyebrows to match and also to last all day, especially around the summertime when it's hot and you're sweating. You need your brows intact, okay? So I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I hope you guys pick up these products that I use or let me know in the comment section if you do use these products. If you tried it, let me know what products you do use, and also let me know what other tips and tricks you may have that I don't know of, so you can help a sister out. That is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with my videos. Until next time, you guys, bye.